back at the shop. My motor mounts are done. There they are. It's super windy, I apologize, but yeah, there they are. So now we're gonna go quickly install them. So this is how they look. They obviously need to be stripped and maybe powder coated or just primed and painted. They look plenty strong to me. I might need to drill another hole because OEM BMW has only one, and I just think it's gonna be too much vibration and stuff, so I'm gonna have to put another hole into it and bolt it together. But it was one day in the truck just laying in bed, and then it got all rusty like this. But I'm super excited. Can't wait to put them in, and then hopefully start the car, put it in gear, and see the wheels spin, maybe. Alright guys, mounts are in. They're nice and tight and firm. Really happy with them. They don't touch the exhaust, which is the main thing. Right now I'm gonna finish bolting headers, put some O2 sensors in, raise the transmission a little bit, just because drive shaft goes like this, I think. Like this, the first half, so I need to raise it up a little bit. They should give me a little bit better clearance with my oil pan. It's just, I'll show you. It's just a little too close for my comfort, I guess. There you go. There's a space. It's hard to tell, but definitely there's space, but it's like really tight right here. So if you look at the drive shaft, I don't know if you can tell, but it's just a little too low, so I need to raise the transmission a little bit. There's plenty of thread to do it. I'm just gonna put a spacer in and then raise her up and put the two sensors in. So far I plumbed this thing, ran a wire. I need to throw a couple more zip ties just for test drive. I need to put a fuse, not a fuse, but I need to put a relay onto my onto my original fan because GM ECU will be running the electric fan. So one of these right here I have labeled. They are low speed cooling fan. I'm gonna have to wire it into relay and have it, switch fan on and off so it doesn't overheat. So I'm gonna do that quick and then throw the exhaust on. So I had two wires here. One is a high fan and one's a low speed fan. So I wired it to the high one for now, and I just left it like this just to test it in case I have to rewire stuff. So it's just gonna be here, kind of mix it like that, and then I'm gonna clean it up a little bit later. Right now I want to quickly shorten this hose and put my belts on and put the coolant in. Alright, so we just started it. It took a little bit to get it running, but I'll start it for you guys. All right, so as you can see, it runs, drives, ish, and we got a coolant leak. Oh, I think I forgot to tighten. Yeah, I forgot to tighten the hole. Anyway, guys, I think this is gonna be a really short video, probably a couple minutes, but I'm gonna be pulling the engine in another video. I don't want to do it in the same one. Maybe even do it. I'll do a time lapse, just a quick time lapse. Might as well. But other than that, drive shaft works, headers works, steering works. Unfortunately, slave cylinder got busted. I think I had to pull the swap out and check it out quick, but something silly like that. It's just the problem is CTSV E46 transmission has an internal one versus regular external one. So gotta pull it, but motor mounts are in. They seem to work perfectly. I need to buy a 90 and then pipe and a filter. I just throw it on here just so I can hook up my MAF sensor. I don't know. Disappointed, I guess. I was gonna drive it in this video, but I can't. I'll stop talking and you know, finish this video and then see you next one. So thanks guys for stopping in. I appreciate it, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.